Let's work on another type of commission problem. Listing agent Marcus with Cottonwood Realty has procured a listing agreement for a large parcel of vacant land with the following terms: 18% on the first $50,000, 15% on the next $100,000, and 7% on the remainder. What is the total commission paid by the seller if the property sells for $770,500? So our first step is to make a T-bar. And the easiest thing to place into a T-bar is the rate, and the first rate we get to is 18%. And I'm going to say that is a rate of commission on the first 50,000, which means up top we're writing amount of commission on the first 50,000. And of course we're going to base this off of 50,000. As you know, in a T-bar, we have the two bottom numbers, which tells us when we multiply, we'll have a total commission on that first 50,000 of $9,000. That's not the answer to the problem, so let's make another T-bar. And this next T-bar and our next rate is 15%, and that's the rate of commission on our next 100,000. Which means up here we're going to put amount of commission on the next 100,000. And of course we'll base this off of 100,000. Again, we'll multiply and we'll find out that's a commission of $15,000. That's not the answer to our problem, so we're going to get to our next T-bar. And the next rate we have is 7%. And this is our rate of commission on our remainder. This is the remaining sales price. And up here is going to be amount of commission on the remainder. And that's going to be based off of whatever the remaining sales price is. So in this case, our sales price was $770,500. Well, we know that for the first $50,000, we are going to get paid the 18%. And on our second $100,000, we're going to get that 15%. So if we subtract that 50 and that $100,000 from the $770,500, we'll find out that we have a remaining sales price of $620,500. This is the sales price that we still need to figure out what commission we get off of it. So we're going to put this $620,000 down here because it is our remaining sales price. We'll multiply because it's a T-bar. And when you do that, we find out that our remaining commission is $43,435. So that means on this sales price, we want to know the total commission. And we got the $9,000 from the $50,000. We got the $15,000 from the $100,000. And from here, we got the $43,435. So we add that all up, 9,000 plus 15,000 plus the 43,435. Add that all together, and we're going to get a total of $67,435. This is the total commission that's paid by the seller, and that is what we're looking for. I hope this helps. As always, if you have any questions, just let me know.